We have with us tonight Katie Mustrick. She is a junior at Northview High School, and more importantly, you're part of an organization called the Health Occupations Student Association.
Yes.
And you have a big fundraiser coming up for JDRF. That is not this Saturday, but the following Saturday at Northview High School. It runs from 7 to 9:30. Why did you as an organization decide to put this thing on?
We decided to put this on because HOSA, which is Health Occupation Students of America, they are also partnered with JDRF. So at the beginning of the year, we had Cupid Shuffle, which is which we did as an assembly, which had 700 kids. We raised over $1,200, and we just wanted to go along with that. So we had we came up with this idea for a benefit concert with 3 local bands that they're going to be attending, and we're just really excited for it.
Okay, so this is playing off of what you did for the Cupid. Okay.
Yeah.
Is there any reason that diabetes came up, the juvenile diabetes especially, that you really wanted to focus on this?
Yes, because HOSA, because we are part of HOSA, and also that one of our students in our class actually has diabetes.
Diabetes. So, and now is this something, you're a junior over there, so obviously you're learning a ton of different things. Are you learning how serious diabetes can be, especially for young people when it comes to managing their care and the day in and day out things that they
definitely.
do? Has it surprised you?
Yes, it has, how different their life really is compared to everyday normal people.
Stuff that the rest of us may take for granted then. So you decided on a concert now to do this, a little bit different than the Cupid Shuffle. You know, this is the $10 at the door, and you can buy the tickets at the door, right?
Yes, correct.
Okay, so if you want to do that, and also we have an email address for you if you want to make reservations for that and get involved with that. Well, how'd you come up with the concert idea? It's very, very different than what it sounds like you did in the past.
Yes, we just decided to do something different. We just decided that this would be something fun, and also it's at Northview's new Performing Arts Center, so we decided that would be like more people would be like happy to see this.
Okay, so you're somebody who wants to, I'm assuming, get in the medical profession somewhere down the line. As you look into the issue of diabetes, does it surprise you of how prevalent it is throughout the country, and we're hearing more and more about it these days? Do you feel like it's something you want to try to tackle maybe one day as you get further?
Yeah.
Why do you think it's something that is something that you want to focus on?
Well, personally, my grandma has it, and I see how her life has changed since she's had it, and I see how my my friend has it, and it's just changed him so much, and it'd be awesome to find a cure for it so they don't have to go through those insecurities about it, and they feel normal.
Good, good. So this is Saturday the 30th from 7 to 9:30 at Sylvania Northview. You said at the Performing Arts Center?
Yes.
Okay, all right. So if you want to get involved with that, $10 at the door for a ticket, and the proceeds are going to JDRF.
Yes.
All right, Katie, thank you very much for your time. We appreciate it. And that's your talk back.